Young man, what is your problem?
Come, pastor, what do you call yourself? My problem is the money. Just give me the money, make I just go, je. Don't waste my time.
How dare you talk to my pastor like that? Are you mad?
See the money I'm talking. Come on, let that there. Come on. Go collect now, woto. Since I complain. Hey you, pastor, where's the money? Be fast, sharp.
Do you know that you are talking to an anointed man of God?
And so what you call concern?
Pass not to my anointed and do my prophet no harm.
Come, Mr. Man, give what belongs to Caesar to Caesar. Share it say na only you know Bible and give what belongs to God to God. So, pastor, give me the money and carry your anointing go your church. Share they hear me now. Come on, move now. Give me the money before I go shoot your head now.
Pastor, please give him the money.
Give the money.
Give him the money. Yeah, no, I don't want to
collect now.
I don't want to die. Yeah.
Wait, let me come.
Come on, be fast. Go and bring the money. Let me collect it for myself. Come on, stand up there. Come on, stand up. Come on, stand up there. Jesus, come on, stand up there. Be fast. Move. Move fast. Come on. Come on. Lie down there.
Jesus.
Lie down. Hey, pastor, where's the money? Give it to me. Pastor, see.
See the money take now.
Pastor, see.
Collect the money. Are you not taking the money again?
Pastor, see.
See what?
Sorry, sir.
What do you want me to see?
Pastor, see.
What is going on here?
Pastor, see. Pastor, see. Pastor.
See what now?
Hey.
What is going on?
Pastor, please, sir.
Young man, you're under arrest.
Mr. Peter, relax. Relax.
Are you sure?
Yes, God has arrested him.
See.
Are you sure, Pastor?
Yes.
Let me shoot
See,
him.
Pastor.
Drop down the gun. God has arrested him.
Sir.
Young man, are you ready to give your life to Jesus Christ?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready to give your life to Jesus Christ?
Yes, sir.
Or you say after me?
Sir.
Lord Jesus,
Lord Jesus,
I am a sinner.
I am a sinner.
Come into my heart.
Come into my heart.
Wash me with your precious blood.
Wash me with your precious blood.
Save my soul.
Save my soul.
Make me a channel of shining light.
Make me a channel of shining light.
Where there is darkness,
When there is darkness.
I close your eyes. Let me pray for you.
Yes, sir.
In Jesus' name.